Unit 2 Summary. Dr. Gudipati Srinivasa Rao. Foundations of Data and Importance in AI. 1. What is data in the context of artificial intelligence? Data refers to raw facts and observations that are used by AI systems to learn patterns and make decisions. 2. Why is data called the fuel for AI? AI models depend on data to learn, improve accuracy, and make intelligent predictions, similar to fuel powering an engine. 3. What happens to AI systems without sufficient data? Without sufficient data, AI systems fail to learn effectively and produce unreliable or biased results. 4. What is the role of data in building AI applications? Data is used for training, testing, validating, and improving AI models. 5. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large and complex datasets that cannot be processed using traditional data processing methods. 6. Why is big data important for AI model training? Big data provides diversity and volume, enabling AI models to learn complex patterns and improve performance. Conceptual foundations of data. 7. What is the difference between data and information? Data is raw and unprocessed, while information is processed data that has meaning. 8. What is knowledge in the data-information knowledge hierarchy? Knowledge is derived from information and represents insights, understanding, or actionable conclusions. 9. Can data exist without information? Yes, raw data can exist independently before being processed into information. 10. How does AI convert data into knowledge? AI uses algorithms and models to analyze data, extract patterns, and generate insights. Structure of data. 11. What is structured data? Structured data is organized in fixed formats such as tables with rows and columns. 12. Give an example of structured data. Employee records stored in a database table. 13. What is semi-structured data? Semi-structured data has some organizational structure but does not follow a rigid schema. 14. Give an example of semi-structured data. JSON or XML files. 15. What is unstructured data? Unstructured data has no predefined format or organization. 16. Give examples of unstructured data. Text documents, images, audio files, and videos. Modalities of data. 17. What is text data? Text data consists of written or typed language used in documents, emails, and messages. 18. What is image data used for in AI? Image data is used in applications like facial recognition and medical imaging. 19. What is audio data? Audio data represents sound signals used in speech recognition and voice assistants. 20. What is video data? Video data consists of sequences of images used in surveillance and autonomous driving. 21. What is tabular data? Tabular data is data arranged in rows and columns. 22. What is time series data? Time series data is data collected at regular time intervals. 23. Give an example of time series data. Stock market prices over time. 24. What is spatial data? Spatial data represents geographical or location-based information. Formats of data. 25. What is CSV format? CSV, separated values, stores tabular data in plain text format. 26. What is JSON format? JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. 27. What is XML format? XML, Extensible Markup Language, stores data using tags and hierarchical structure. 28. Name two common image formats used in AI. JPEG and PNG. 29. Name two common audio formats. MP3 and WAV. 30. Name 2 common video formats. MP4 and AVI. Data repositories. 31. What is a data repository? A data repository is a centralized location for storing and managing datasets. 32. What are public datasets? Public datasets are freely available datasets for research and learning. 33. What are private datasets? Private datasets are restricted datasets owned by organizations or individuals. 34. Why are public datasets important in AI? They enable learning, experimentation, benchmarking, and research reproducibility. 35. Name a popular public dataset platform. Kaggle. 36. Name another dataset repository used for NLP tasks. Hugging Face Datasets. 37. What is dataset licensing? Dataset licensing defines how data can be used, shared, or modified. 38. Why is it important to follow dataset usage rights? To ensure legal, ethical, and responsible use of data. Ethics and privacy in data usage. 39. What is data privacy? Data privacy refers to protecting personal information from unauthorized access or misuse. 40. What is a major privacy concern in AI systems? Unauthorized collection and misuse of personal data. 41. What is GDPR? General Data Protection Regulation is a regulation that protects personal data and privacy. 42. What rights does GDPR provide to individuals? Rights to access, correct, delete, and control personal data. 43. What is HIPAA? Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act protects medical and health-related data. 44. Why is HIPAA important for AI in healthcare? It ensures confidentiality and security of patient health data. Ethical and responsible AI practices. 45. What is ethical use of data? Using data fairly, transparently, and with informed consent. 46. What is bias in AI data? Bias occurs when data unfairly represents certain groups, leading to discriminatory outcomes. 47. What is responsible AI? Responsible AI focuses on ethical, transparent, and accountable AI systems. 48. What is data minimization? Collecting only the data necessary for a specific purpose. 49. What is privacy by design? Integrating privacy protections into AI systems from the initial design stage. 50. Why are responsible AI data practices important? They build trust, ensure legal compliance, and promote ethical AI deployment.